So this is what we've done today so far. So pretty much all of this was like mixed up together. So we just kind of reorganized everything. So we've got all of the laundry stuff that we're currently using right here, all of the household cleaning items that we're currently using right here. Then we've got paint and bug sprays and like some tools, and then all of that stuff, which is just like random, like baking soda, Swiffer, mats, towelettes, you know, disinfect towelettes or whatever, that type of stuff. And then over here houses the cereal that is open, the crackers that is open, and I actually need to take down that box of cookies up there, and then it's like some thin crackers. And in here are all of the kids' snacks. So there's like everything from like raisins, granola bars, sandwich crackers, fruit pouches, stuff like that, small bags of potato chips, Teddy Grahams, that sort of thing. And then right here is just open bags of chips that we probably need to go through because I'm not sure what all is in there. I haven't gotten to that drawer yet. Then right here is a basket of chips. So there's some unopened bags there in the back, and then all of the open bags right here in the front, and then the other snack basket. So that houses like goldfish, cookies, granola, popcorn, that type of thing. And then up there is just rice. I believe that's the brown rice if I'm not mistaken. And let me turn you guys around. So this is the pantry. The bottom houses like pots and pans and glassware, that type of thing. But up here is where we normally put our food. So I cleaned all of that out, y'all. It was a hot mess. It had all kinds of stuff up in here. So we've got all of our like taco stuff because we're gonna do, as part of the meal plan, we're gonna try to do Taco Tuesdays. Now it might not necessarily be like tacos, so it'll be like Fiesta Tuesday sort of thing. So we might do chicken enchiladas one Tuesday, just regular tacos on another Tuesday, baked burrito, casserole, or something like that, you know, whatever comes to mind. And then those 2 boxes of cereal are my sister's, so the kids don't think that it's their part of the cereal stash. I'll put them in here. This is just an extra tub of unopened coffee, and then this is going to be the basket that houses all of our like pouches, like rice, potatoes, stuff like that. And then in that crate up there, it's just all candy, and behind it is like some Kool-Aid pitchers. And so we decided to utilize this basket. I know you guys seen that basket before. That's the bread basket. This is the white rice flour over there. And so we reorganized the refrigerator. So here's how the refrigerator looks. So this is going to be our fruit basket. This is all of our like big jar stuff like pickles, mayonnaise, that type of thing. Then we've got our egg basket back. I know you've guys seen that before. And then in this basket is gonna house like cheese, chicken strips, lunch meat, that sort of thing. This is leftovers. So this shelf pretty much is gonna be like the leftover shelf. And then all of our beverages, with the exception of butter, is on this shelf. And then in here, it's just all salad stuff. So like greens, like lettuce, cilantro, that sort of thing. And then down here is our vegetables. So like avocados, mushrooms, that sort of thing. And then over here, since we don't use this for butter, we've just got cream cheese and like some goat cheese up there. And these are all of our condiments. So everything is kind of like categorized. It makes it easy for the kids to just come in here, get what they need, and then close the refrigerator instead of standing in front of the refrigerator for 5 minutes at a time trying to figure out what they're going to grab. So we've got all of our salad dressings and condiments that we use on a very regular basis. So ketchup, barbecue sauce, mustard. And then We've got some other sauces for when we are making Chinese food, and then we got just random stuff down there: sour cream, jalapenos, artichoke hearts, that sort of thing. I still have to redo the freezer, so I'm not going to show you guys that. But over here, we've reorganized.
Sorry guys, but I just put that there.
Okay, so they are so silly. Okay, so over here we reorganized everything, threw away what needed to be thrown away, wiped down the inside of the cabinet, and so basically everything we have, because we're building a stockpile, you guys, so most of our stuff is downstairs. So instead of having like multiples of everything up here, we just have one of everything, with the exception of like tartar sauce and all that, because we've only got the one jar, minus the one that's open in the refrigerator. But so this will remind us, like if we use a whole bottle of barbecue sauce, then we go ahead and go downstairs and bring up another one. Behind it is some spaghetti sauce. Then there's Alfredo sauce, salsa, hazelnut spread, some pesto sauce, a jar of mayonnaise. So there's already one open in the refrigerator, but it's almost out. So we've got one up here to grab, and then once we're into that one, then we just go downstairs and grab the other one. Some A1 sauce, fish sauce, that sort of thing. And then over here is nuts, oatmeal flakes or oats. Then on that second shelf is the items that are open, so like Nutella, almond butter, peanut butter, that sort of thing. And then everything from here over is like salad toppings that we use. And then so down here is like cooking vinegars, cooking oils, stuff like that, like canola oil, white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And then in the middle is like open sauces, so it's a random, it's like steak sauce, hot sauce, stuff to make Chinese food. And then over here in the corner is just like random, like vanilla extract, agave, some honey, that sort of thing. So then we move on to this cabinet. This housed all of the teas and coffees and just medicines and randomness. So what I did was I took a basket, you guys have seen this basket before, and put all of the medicines that were in the cabinet in here. Oh, let me put this back right here. And I slid this to the top so that it is out of reach of all of the children. So at the top there's like protein powder mixes, flaxseed, ground flaxseed, and then over here is different teas. Over here is different teas as well, but these are, with the exception of these two are open, but these are not open. And then these are all open, so it's like a mixture of like green teas, detox teas, that sort of thing. And then coffee mugs go right here, but I've got them in the dishwasher. I'm about to turn that on in a minute. And then this is hot chocolate and coffee stuff right there. So yeah, we're working on it, you guys, trying to get organized. So this is the kids' dinner today. Something simple and quick. They're having some of these honey breast tenders, and the grown-ups are gonna have these southern breast tenderloins with a salad, and then they're gonna have, oh, and then some leftover like animal chicken nuggets, and then they're gonna have tater tots. So I'm gonna throw that in the oven, and then I'm going to fold up some clothes. Oh, and I'm also gonna boil an egg for a salad, and I will see y'all in a minute.